All right, y'all. If you think you've tasted lemon meringue pie before, you're about to have your socks knocked right off. I grew up in the Midwest, where family secrets aren't just whispered. They're baked right into the crust. And today, I'm sharing my grandma's legendary lemon meringue pie recipe, just like she made it for every Sunday supper. Let's get started. First things first, homemade crust. Don't let it scare ya. Grab some cold butter, flour, a pinch of salt, and ice water. Work that dough till it's flaky as a Midwest snowstorm. Then let it chill while we whip up that sunshiny filling. Now the secret's in the lemons. Fresh ones, lots of them. Squeeze out all that juice and zest. In a saucepan, combine sugar, cornstarch, a little salt, and water. Bring it to a bubble, then slowly whisk in the lemon juice and zest. Here's my grandma's trick. A splash of vanilla and a dab of butter right at the end for that velvety finish. Pour that golden goodness into your baked pie shell. Now for the meringue. Separate those eggs. Whip up the whites with a dash of cream of tartar and sugar until they're glossy and hold stiff peaks. Don't skimp on the meringue. Pile it high and swirl it like a snowdrift. Pop it in the oven till the peaks are toasted just right. Oh, honey, when you slice into this pie, you get that tart lemon, sweet cloud of meringue, and a crust so tender it'll make you want to call your mama. Give this Midwest classic a try and let me know if it doesn't just bring your family right to the table. Thank y'all for watching and welcome to Global Family Cookbook. If you haven't already, please subscribe. There's always room for one more at our table.